In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create prompts in Midjourney. By the end, you'll know how to use ChatGPT to write a clear descriptive prompt and then turn that prompt into an image inside Midjourney's web app. Start by opening chatgpt.com. Here, your goal is to ask for a single, well-structured prompt you can copy directly into Midjourney. In your message, clearly describe what you want to see: the main subject, the setting, the mood, the art or photography style, lighting, color palette, and any composition details. You can also specify technical vibes like ultra-detailed cinematic lighting or macro lens if that suits your idea. It helps to ask for one concise prompt in plain text without extra commentary, so you can paste it cleanly later. If the first result isn't quite there, ask ChatGPT to refine it: shorter or longer, more realistic or more stylized, brighter or moodier. Keep nudging until the wording feels vivid but not cluttered. Once you have a prompt you like, head over to the Midjourney website. Make sure you're signed in so you can create. From the main interface, look for the Create option. This opens the page where you can generate new images. Click into the prompt box at the top of the page, then paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Before submitting, take a quick look for any quotation marks or extra lines that might have been copied along with it and remove them so the prompt is clean. If you already have a preferred aspect ratio, such as widescreen or square, you can add that to the end of the prompt. You can also include style or quality indicators if you know what you want, but keep the message focused and readable. A prompt that's descriptive, concrete, and well-organized typically produces stronger images than a long list of vague adjectives. Now click Submit. Midjourney will begin generating your image based on the prompt you provided. This can take a moment, so give it a little time to process. When it finishes, you'll see the result on the page. If the image looks close to your vision but not perfect, remember that you can go back to ChatGPT, adjust a few keywords, maybe the lighting, angle, or composition, and repeat the process. Small prompt tweaks often lead to big visual changes. That's it. You used ChatGPT to craft a strong prompt and brought it to life in Midjourney with just a paste and a submit. Try different subjects and styles, keep your language clear and specific, and you'll quickly build a prompt library that consistently delivers the results you want.